for the final results to come out.
The new entrant into Meghalaya politics, the Voice of People's Party surprised many by winning 4 seats out of 18 contested constituencies. The 4 candidates who won the election are the party president, Arden Miller Basayamot, who defeated Lambor Malnyang of UDP by a margin of 4,068 votes. Adalbert Nongrum won the election from North Shillong by defeating BJP's M. Karkrang of BJP. Bright Starwell Marbanyang from Maulai and Heaving Stone Karpran from Mauringkeneng also won the elections for VPP. While speaking to the media person, Arden Miller Basayamot said that the mainstream party has undermined the VVP and they did not expect the VPP to win 4 seats.
We know, especially the mainstream, they undermine the VPP. They didn't expect us because they thought that we will win only 2-3 seats. But for us, it is not a surprise. In fact, we expect more than this.